Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. When we work with Composer, so sometime we got an error. For example, let's run the Composer command in CMD. I just installed the Composer right now, so I am writing Composer. Sorry, Composer, and it give me this type of error. There are lots of errors, but if you look into the nature of the error, PHP warning, PHP Startup unable to load dynamic library, this library, or and if you look into this path, it means there is some path, there is some sitting in the php.ini file in which this path is not correct. So let's see. My xampp server is installed in this directory f, and in f this is xampp with capital xampp. So how to set this error, or how to remove this error? I have to go into this directory php, and then I have to edit the php.ini file. So look into this file, edit with notepad++, and search for xampp, all in small letters, right? xampp, and let's replace this with the capital xampp, because the xampp server is installed in a directory which title is written in capital letters. So replace all. Now save this file. Okay, restart the xampp server, Apache server. Okay, now run the command. So cmd composer, and again the same error occur, but let's try to change the path of the xampp server in the directory xampp. Okay, here in this directory, extension directory, let's write the complete path f, and inside f there is xampp folder, and then again php. Okay, so restart this server. Now run the command. Now let's see, we got only two errors, one warning and second one is error. Okay, and this warning and this error is about this path xampp php extras browsecap.ini. So search for browsecap.ini and also update this path. So search for that error and also update this path to absolute path. Save the file, restart the server. Now let's run the command again, and now this time we will got no error. So you can easily remove this type of error using these steps. Thank you.